Welcome to week 9, everybody. This week is going to be a project week. So all week you're going to be working on a continuous project. Um, and it's going to be making paper airplanes. So there was an email sent to your parents on Friday, hopefully, and you were also included on that. So hopefully you guys were seeing that and knew what was coming about. But this is not to just play games. This is actually for like school stuff. So there shouldn't be an issue with that. So I'm going to run down what is going to happen this week in a quick review, and then each of these days I'm going to be making a video and explaining what you need to do there, even though there's explanation of what you're going to be doing on the outside of the folder along with what is then on the inside of the folder if it loads. Okay, so this just goes over the explanation of our airplane competition. You are going to be designing 2 different types of airplanes. You're going to be making one that is made for going the furthest distance and one that has the most hang time or in the air time. You'll just need some paper. Doesn't matter which type of paper you want to use. If you find materials like I know some websites will say like you need paper clips or tape. I don't care what you use. Okay, as long as it's made out of a paper and not something else. You're going to receive 3 scores on this project on a daily basis. So a lot of it is your daily logs, and I'm going to go over that here in a minute. This is how you keep track and show me that you're actually doing stuff each single day. And those need to be turned in by 10 p.m. every day. And we'll get to those. The second thing is your distance. Okay, your distance plane. How far does it travel? So if your plane travels at least 2 meters, 10 meters, you're going to get at least a 2. So the best thing that you can do is kind of just measure out a few steps. So convert 10 meters to feet, and I'm going to expect you to do that because we did converting in the beginning of this year. So convert 10 meters to steps, and then you can just make that approximately. And if you get further than 10 meters, or if you get 10 meters, you're going to get a 3. If it just flies forward, you're going to get a 2. And if you get more than 10 meters, you're going to get more than a 3. Okay, so if you meet the 10 meters, you're going to get a 3. At the hang time, okay, if your car just goes in the air, okay, for at least 1 second, you're going to receive a 2. And if you are able to keep it up in the air for longer than 1 second, you'll get more points. Okay, so that's how the grading will begin. You're then going to watch some engineering stuff and then go towards completing the hypothesis. What's your question? What are your variables? Things like that. So that's on Monday. You're kind of setting up the scientific method, and then you're going to build an airplane. So then when you come into Tuesday, you're going to you're going to build more planes, and then you're going to complete the daily Google form, and then you're going to finish up your distance airplane actually by Tuesday. Okay, so by the end of class or by the end of the day on Tuesday, you should have already completed all of your distance airplane stuff. Okay. When Wednesday comes around, you're going to start your second airplane. Remember, one is distance and the second is hang time. So I just went back into Tuesday on accident. On Wednesday, you're going to start that hang time. How long can it stay in the air? Okay, so you're going to start with figuring out what your manipulated variables are. What's your question? What's the hypothesis you're going to look at? You're going to daily log, then you're going to do some research. Okay, so this first plane shouldn't try to have any research on it. Then you're going to do some research, do some logging on did your improvement work? Then you're going to make a new airplane and then do some other logging. Okay, so that's kind of the format. And then by the end of the day on Thursday, all of your hang time data and plane should be created and finished. Allowing then on Friday, you're going to do an airplane reflection half summative. You're going to submit pictures of your best distance and your best hang time, and then do a couple question answers. This is optional because some of you